So, I don't know what the fuck that sound is. I'm Kyle. This is Gail. We don't know what these sounds are. We're going to try to guess what a stock sound effect is. Mike is over there. He's going to pick random-ass sound effects. We got to guess which one's which. I'm guessing I win because I'm a dude. A gunshot.
No.
No?
I'm trolling you on that one. You never got it. It's called an air whoosh underwater.
Okay, you have to pick something that
Dog.
Yeah,
we
I
can
know.
guess.
I know.
Pick things that we can
could've said,
understand. It's a baby crying.
All right. That's
Okay.
baby crying. Kyle gets a point.
1-0.
God damn it.
1-0.
That was too easy.
Yo, shout him out if you
Too
know. Maybe he can't see us, so I can sit here and do this.
I can totally see you, jackass.
Oh, yeah. He can see us. I forgot we're on that
Oh my
camera.
God.
Yeah.
Yo, I am a dunce. Smart, not bright, I think.
That I would call an airplane.
Gil wins.
Fuck you.
Yay!
Gil gets a point.
Tie game 1-1. I don't like it. Is it like a...
I hear city background.
I mean, that's a police siren.
Yeah.
Nope.
Ambulance?
Yeah, Kyle gets a point.
Yeah, fuck you.
Okay.
Yeah, boy. Amber lamps. Candy wrapper. Candy wrapper crunching.
Unwrapping a present.
Shit. Opening a newspaper.
Play it again.
Opening a grocery bag.
Throwing trash away.
Opening a magazine.
Ripping open a letter. No.
You should say Whoopi Goldberg.
Roofies?
Roofie Goldberg.
Is that what roofies
All
sound
right,
like?
it's bacon out of package. So it's opening
Bacon.
That's
out
so
of-
fucking specific.
Yeah.
Because when we looked at this, I was finding sound effects like a cowbell, bacon out of a package. What about that sound effect says bacon? There was no squish
Yeah.
squish.
There was no frying sound earlier.
There was no frying sound. There was no
Yeah.
squish squish.
Yeah.
Nothing. Shoveling. Stabbing Darth Vader.
I want to say like skiing. Like you're stabbing the snow. It sounds
Oh,
like.
so like you're...
What is that? Is that the same noise? It's not
Technically
the
the same noise.
Someone
What
shot
the
the
fuck?
skier. Is it loading bullets into a gun?
No.
same. Stapling really fast.
Gail's close.
Oh fuck.
Stapling really slow.
A nail gun?
Gail wins.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
fuck me in the
All
dick.
right. Okay.
What was that other sound? He played a different one, right? That other one was an automatic
That
rifle.
was fast.
No,
Yes,
it's not. That's what they sound like when you run out of nails.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I know, because the compressor just fucking doesn't... okay.
Yeah.
Yes. I
Look
have
at
heard
Kyle
that.
knowing some construction stuff.
Hey, I worked roofing.
You never worked.
I did. I worked roofing for 2 days one time. I got paid $250 to not be able to carry anything up a ladder.
Yeah.
Back to it. Punching drywall.
You win.
Whoa.
What?
All right.
The word was punch. I accepted body punch. for
Okay.
punch
My name's
drywall.
Kyle, so I had to say punching drywall. Should have a big ass monster in my hand. Bowling ball. A strike.
There you go.
Strike.
Wow.
I got it. I'm up to 4.
Okay.
Fuck you. Score 1 for men
How many
everywhere.
does he have to me? I have 1.
4 to
I'm not
2.
telling you.
It's 4 to 2.
Oh, we have closing a cabinet.
A paper cutter.
Ooh, I'm giving it to her.
A
What?
cabinet drawer.
Putting cans in a cabinet.
Cans in a cabinet.
Okay.
I thought. Okay.
I give her that
I
because,
got
like,
it. Cabinet.
like I said, oddly
All right.
specific
Yeah, 'cause
bullshit.
fuck your bacon. It could have just been.
Fuck your goddamn bacon. 4 to 3. Closing a car door.
Damn it.
That's both of you. Both said car at the same time.
Don't,
bitch.
then just null it out.
You bitch.
Don't give us too easy of ones.
Yeah, go back to having to figure out what's a package of bacon.
All right, here we go.
Whoa. Horses.
No, somebody's getting
Ah.
beat. Like, somebody's getting beat with sticks. Yeah, what is that?
I thought it was horses, but it's not rhythmic enough.
Is it Rocky punching meat?
Close.
Machete going through the forest.
Ooh, you said forest. That technically gets it.
Forest.
Chopping the forest.
That's what I mean.
Chopping?
Machete.
That was a lot of people chopping at one time.
How much does this crew hate the forest?
That was it.
Mm-hmm.
Play it again.
That was it.
No, you want to rush me? That's what you get.
A lock. Key. Key and lock.
Alright, she said lock. Technically, she wins.
Okay, what is it?
It's a deadbolt lock.
Ah,
Fair
yeah,
enough.
that was it.
Fair enough.
Yeah, that's exactly what I meant.
Yeah, I didn't even really get a good grasp on that one at all.
Alright,
I had no guess.
5-4.
You know the loser has to drink out of Mike's shoes. Nah, Gail wouldn't do that.
Basketball.
Dodgeball.
Kyle gets dodgeball.
Bam, 6-4. Score one for the boys. Mike making fart noises with his mouth. 7-4.
Oh. Sitting on a leather seat. Farting on a leather seat.
Bro, I'm at a loss.
Squishing a balloon?
Whoopee cushion. A Tron whoopee cushion.
Tron whoopee cushion? Explain yourself.
Okay, I give up. I can't stop hearing farting on a leather sofa.
What is it?
It's called face stretch.
Bro.
Oh my god.
I would just have accepted stretch.
Bro.
Okay, stretch. Okay.
It sounded like he was
I should've
stretching his
said, like,
asshole to
stretching.
fart on a leather sofa. Sanding
Scrubbing.
wood. Air
Just
blasting
go with
something.
that.
Scrubbing something.
It
No.
sounds to me like he's
No.
hand sanding something.
Nope.
No?
It is female aggressive zombie.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
That would have literally been the last fucking thing I would have said. A female aggressive zombie. Fuck off.
Fire.
Yeah,
burning.
wins.
That was. I didn't even hear a sound.
Oh, I heard it.
I didn't even hear it.
That was
didn't even
low,
hear
but
it?
it was a very specific
I'm
practice.
just.
Tree branch snapping.
Oh, he said snapping.
Okay.
It's just snapping in general.
Forest wood snapping.
Yeah.
Forest wood. Forest wood tree branch are the
Dang
same
it.
fucking thing. 7-5.
4.
7-4.
7-4.
No, I should have a 5 in there. You missed
No.
something. Yeah.
I'll find out for real in the editing process of this. Jesus Christ! Window shattering.
Nope.
Wait,
Tree falling.
glass breaking.
Table
Yeah,
breaking.
Glass crush.
Glass crush.
Oh, glass
Sounds like a
crushing.
fucking movie about meth.
And surfing.
Blowing. Attempted beatbox 1. Blowing dust off of something. Having a fucking heart attack. I don't
Dragon. It's a dragon.
know.
Gunpowder. Ignition.
No.
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 Ignition.
Ignition.
Oh, it's okay. So it's not exploding
Yeah.
gunpowder. It's just like when it burns on its own. It's just fuck you and your golf clubs and your goddamn bacon.
Vacuum.
Power drill.
Hair dryer.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yes.
You women in your hair dryers. I never would have got that. I don't even have much hair.
Going downstairs.
Sanding. One of these is gonna be sanding.
And one of them's gonna be stairs.
Nah, it's called hands touching sink.
Bro.
Oh, what?
Hands touching sink. Gail, would you have ever...
No.
Thank you.
Leaves rustling. Feet walking through grass.
You said grass.
It just sounds like ambient noise. My ears are
Cows
shot.
in grass.
No, you're close enough. I guess I'll use this one as your bonus catch-up. But it is horses eating grass.
Horses eating grass. I said grass, okay.
What about that was horses?
I
I cannot
really hear you
hear these
chewing.
goddamn high frequencies or whatever the fuck because my ears are shot. Sanding.
Eating chips. Eating something. Ooh, slurping something.
Aggressively
Whoa.
eating
I didn't
chips.
hear it like that before.
Eating soup? Crunching soup. Eating carrots. Eating baby carrots.
Think we
Eating
just-
celery.
Oh,
Eating-
eating watermelon.
Gail wins.
Oh my god.
Fuck you,
Dude, I deserve this. I'm getting the real good ones, I think.
You earned that
You-
one. By the way, folks at home, our boy Michael eats watermelon rind. That's disgusting. You are a ghoul.
There we go.
Pushing a cart.
I know. Does
A
the
shopping
humming,
cart.
Does that humming have to do with it?
Riding an electric shopping
A
cart.
hospital cart.
Pushing a gurney.
Something machine that's old and makes a lot of noise.
A washing machine. A sewing machine. No.
Kyle wins.
Whoa!
Oh,
I was
man.
right, and then I doubted myself. I should never doubt myself.
Technically, it was an industrial sewing machine.
Oh
but-
man,
Oh.
no, that makes sense because I was getting there with some sort of old fucking loud machine.
Man,
That
this
was
is
just-
fucking way more challenging than I thought it would be. I thought I'd be like, it's sanding. It's definitely sanding.
Subway. I don't know what Subway sounds like.
Not like that.
It sounds like it could sound like that.
It doesn't.
Sounds like you've never been on a subway.
It sounds like
I've
you've
never
never been on a
subway.
subway.
Y'all give up?
Yeah.
It was inflating a big balloon.
Are you serious?
Uh-huh.
Oh
Was
my
the
god.
balloon made of old cars?
It was. No, I hear it now.
I don't.
That's a
Inflating
That's a very
a big balloon.
detailed sound, though.
How big of a fucking balloon? Like an air balloon?
Like a hot air balloon? Yeah, I get
Suck
it.
my dick! Like, no, are you fucking inflating this thing with some industrial powered shit? Is it
That
like a
was a
fucking
tough one.
200-foot balloon? Fuck off.
Actually, I think it's pretty accurate.
Yeah.
I think you're both insane. That has to
But
have
I
been-
never would have guessed that.
That had to have been recorded inside the balloon. You're stepping in snow with boots. Sanding.
Nah, this is jumping on soggy grass.
Soggy grass. That grass didn't even sound that soggy. Mildly
grass.
soggy. Whippets. I know that sound. That's whippets.
Spray painting. A hose.
An air gun.
Fireworks.
What are they called? A compressor.
Fireworks.
Ooh, it's that giant balloon from earlier deflating.
A flamethrower.
I'm just giving it. I can't give it to Gail, but it's a goddamn fuse.
A fuse.
Oh, come on.
John, fuck you.
The fuse of a firework.
Yeah, you
I
can
didn't
totally.
say fuse.
You can
I
totally.
should've
I
said
mean, you can
fuse.
give it to her because that's what she meant.
No.
Like, I absolutely know that's what
Yeah,
she
but
meant.
she didn't say fuse.
I didn't say fuse.
Wow, this dude's a
Igniting.
stickler. But this dude's a stickler about rules that we haven't even set in place.
Hey.
You know, I'm good at remembering stuff.
Yeah, we'll figure this out, Mr. Upgraded Stuff.
A cougar.
No,
Sanding.
no. Mr. I'm great at stuff. What was that?
Dragon.
Do it again.
A person going.
A demon. An angry dog.
No, it is clearly a male zombie roar.
Oh no.
Bro, okay, at least that was fucking closer to a zombie sound than the other one.
Oh, I read this one wrong, but we're going with it.
Alarm clock.
Yeah, close enough. I totally read this as mechanical cock ring.
The answer officially was mechanical clock ring.
Yeah.
You read it as mechanical cock ring. Okay. I can barely, package.
Package.
Give up.
I do.
Peeling skin from bone.
Oh.
What? What kind of fucking
Oh,
serial
my.
killer have you hooked us up with here? Who made these?
Ew.
And by the way, that's not even what it sounds like.
That's really. It's weird.
It's more gooey. It's way more gooey. Police siren.
Yeah.
I win.
Nah, it don't count.
Fuck you, why doesn't that count? I said it first.
Alright. We're going easy.
Squeaky mouse.
toy.
A dog toy. A cat toy. A cougar toy. A panther toy.
A bird.
A mouse.
A really bad representation of a bird. A
Yeah.
Squeaky thing.
A rubber ducky.
Yeah.
Oh, come
Boom!
on.
Suck my
damn
dick.
it.
Fucking Bert and Ernie taught me years ago about rubber duckies, but you know about it.
That's game.
I fucking win.
Oh,
What do I win?
man.
You won 5 hours of editing.
Oh, fuck.
Brilliant. Can I go lay back down on the couch now?